Hello friends, today we're going to draw Strawberry Shortcake.
Strawberry Shortcake is a fun and colorful cartoon about a girl named Strawberry and her friends who live in Berry Bitty's city. They go on exciting adventures, solve problems together, and learn important lessons about friendship, teamwork, and kindness.
Grab your markers and paper. Welcome to join along with us.
Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, let's draw her beautiful eyes.
Strawberry Shortcake's pet cat, Custard, was originally depicted as male in the early 1980s cartoon series, but was later changed to female in subsequent iterations of the franchise. Custard is known for being sassy and having a bit of an attitude, adding a fun dynamic to Strawberry Shortcake's adventures.
When drawing the pupil of her eyes, remember to leave some white space to make her eyes look more lively. Now we're going to add a sweet smile on her face. Next, draw a curved line for her eyebrow. Now we're going to outline her face. Draw a curved line above her eyes as part of her strawberry-shaped hat. Add a few lines for her hair. Add more wavy lines on the sides and front head too.
In the original 1980s Strawberry Shortcake cartoons, the characters were voiced by well-known voice actors of the time, including Rushy Taylor, who also famously voiced Minnie Mouse for many years. Taylor provided the voice for Strawberry Shortcake herself, adding a familiar and beloved voice talent to the character's charm.
Now we're going to sketch the hat. Add a small leaf on top of the hat to make it look like a strawberry. Next, we're going to add a few details for the strawberry seeds. Next, we're going to outline her body. We're going to draw a cute little t-shirt for her. Feel free to design her dress in your own way. Next, we're going to draw her arms and hands. Now we'll continue drawing her skirt. Alright, now let's move on to her legs. Here we divide her legs into 4 segments to make it easier to draw. Next, we're going to add more wavy lines on the sides to complete her hair, making it look full and curly. Add patterns to her socks.
Now we have done outlining Strawberry Shortcake. Let's color her in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos. Alright, we've done drawing Strawberry Shortcake. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!